Hello my friends, how are you? This video, how to drive in MMT in economic mode for robot that will know more engage in the gears. Tick tick tick, forward, tick tick tick, backward. You can use your selector to neutral drive, and it will know damage, it will know happens with the gearbox. No, I now will drive and you will see how I will drive, and I will use this selector. Okay, look at this. This I have the gears, and I will, when for example if I will see the red light or I will see this bumper, I will put in neutral and then when I need to drive I will put in E, and the car will engage the gear what need, 2 or 3rd. Let's drive and we will see. I don't say that you must to drive like this. No, it's option. You can do it. Look at this. For example, I'm drive on the 3rd gear. Now it will 4th. Yeah, 4th. And I know that I have some bumper. And what I do, I put the neutral. Up. Need to drive. Just E. You see it on 2nd gear. I know this, it will stop and I need to stop, so I'm putting the neutral. Fully stop. Okay. And again, stop. Up. I need to up. Oh. Oh, once again stop, neutral. I'm on the 5th gear and I need to turn back, not on this, on next. So what I will do, I will put the neutral and will drive on neutral like this, neutral, and it's not doing 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1 first. I'm on the neutral. When I will stop, I will I don't need to fully stop to engage the gear, no matter. You see, 3rd, it will engage the gear what it needs. So just I can put the neutral, you see. For example, I'm on neutral. I want to accelerate or something else. I can put the E, gas, again neutral. Maybe it will red light and I will stop, I don't know. That's all. I need to drive. E, it's on the 4th. It's like economy mode. neutral. Опа. Neutral again. Oh, in this mode, yeah. Yeah, you can mix with the manual. If you don't want that it will engage, you can put the manual, it will not engage forward. Neutral, for example.